चलिए बात करते हैं आज ऐसे फैशन ब्रांड की जो इंडिया भर में वायरल हो गया विदाउट सेलिंग अ सिंगल थिंग ऑनलाइन. No app, no website checkout, still it's everywhere. Let's talk about Zudio. You guessed it right. The brand that cracked the offline plus virality content code. Hi, this is Nidhi and you're watching This is Digital Marketing, where we decode marketing with real world insights, data and stories. Before we start, tell me in comments कि क्या आपने कभी Zudio में कुछ खरीदा है और यदि खरीदा है तो in which city. Let's see how many Zudio lovers we have before we start. Today, we are going to dig deeper, not just how Zudio grew, but why it succeeded, where so many affordable brands failed. And we will also unpack its digital content magic, how an offline brand became viral online. Why Zudio succeeded when others didn't? Most budget brands compete on price alone. Zudio did something smarter. It married price with aspiration. It never positioned itself as cheap clothing brand. It positioned itself as trendy style you can afford. That one line changed the perception. Other brands felt discount. Zudio felt discovery. That's the psychology edge. Also, Zudio has a 10 to 12 day design to store turnaround via its in-house pipeline. That speed means trends reach store before they cool down. And because Zudio owns it, design, production, and supply chain, it avoids third-party markups, keeping costs low. Bina cheap feel diye, it feels trendy. Plus, backup from Tata Group. Trend gives it instant credibility. When you say Zudio by Tata, trust milta hai automatically. Isn't it? Zudio also surged by focusing on tier 2 and tier 3 towns. Jahan aspiration high hai, options come hai. The result, it owned local mindshare before competition entered. The digital and content strategy that fueled virality. Let's talk about it a little bit. Now, this is where the real marketing magic begins. Zudio may not sell online, but it rules online chatter. You must have all seen those viral reels, user-generated content it fuels. Fan posts, Zudio haul, OOTD, and look what I got for $4.99 reels. People even joke about 5 people in one elevator wearing same Zudio t-shirt. That's cultural penetration. Its social handles don't scream by now. They celebrate fans, styles, and community. Third thing, they collaborate with regional creators who talk in local dialects and make fashion feel relatable. Right? That's really important when you are in a tier 2 city. I survived Zudio and bought 5 outfits under 2,000. Those are authentic stories and that spread faster than ads. And finally, because collections refresh every few weeks, each drop becomes fresh content fodder. Naya collection, naya reel. That's rhythm. That's the rhythm keeps the brand top of mind. Now, what are some learnings that we can take away from Zudio? Zudio did right. Instead of fighting for space in big metros, Zudio quickly entered tier 2 and tier 3 cities where disposable income are rising, but options are few. Every new store became a billboard, a physical ad that said, "We have arrived." And here is the genius. Zudio uses FOCO model. Franchisee owned and company operated. That means local partners invest in stores. But Zudio controls merchandising, pricing, and operations. So expansion becomes both scalable and brand consistent. Now, how do you make people come back again and again? By turning fashion into dopamine loop. Almost every Zudio product is priced under $9.99. Psychological pricing like $4.99 and $7.99 makes people pick up just one more. And because collections refresh every few weeks, there is always something new when you visit. It's fast fashion for Bharat. High volume, low margin, endless excitement. Here is the smartest part. Zudio doesn't spend heavily on ads. Instead, in-stores do the talking. Bright interiors, fresh merchandise, affordable style. Customers walk in, take a mirror selfie, post OOTDs, make haul reels, and boom, free organic marketing. You must have seen enough of those reels where people talk about, Zudio haul, you can't get cheaper than Zudio pricing, right? Every customer becomes a micro-influencer, and that's how Zudio turned out footfall into feedfall. Even people, when they buy from Zudio, they share with each other, "Oh, I got this from Zudio at such an affordable price, and this becomes a talking point, and especially because so much of virality Zudio has received. People love talking about what they have got at a cheaper price from Zudio. While other brands were obsessed with digital clicks, Zudio doubled down on physical touch points. And especially because of Tata backing, it's difficult for brands to just reach these tier 2, tier 3 cities and set up such big physical stores. So why this works? Because in smaller towns, e-commerce, trust gaps, return hassles, and delayed delivery are still real barriers. When people can touch, feel, and try, conversion skyrockets. Even parent company Trend from the Tata Group reported a 5-fold jump in quarterly profits, largely thanks to Zudio's offline expansion. Don't just compete on price, compete on perceived value. Style plus affordability is unbeatable. Own your pipeline. Speed for designing to shelf build trends agility. Give your users a reason to share. Design for the selfie, the haul video, the discovery moment. Use your content to amplify community, not just promotions. Go where others don't. Smaller cities, local voices, वही बड़ी ग्रोथ है आज की डेट में इंडिया में, because those are untapped markets. So Zudio proves you don't need an app to trend. You just need to understand people, emotion, and timing. If you found this useful, hit like, drop a comment on which brand you want decoded next, and subscribe to this. This is Digital Marketing for weekly insights that turn knowledge into results. See you in the next video.